The wait is finally over, especially for the US users. Samsung's biggest software upgrade of the year is here. As we all know, Samsung has begun rolling out its One UI 7 update, with the first phase arriving earlier this week. On April 7, the update was released in select markets, including Samsung's home base in South Korea, though the United States was initially left out. Earlier, the company confirmed that eligible Galaxy devices in the US would start receiving the update on April 10. While no explanation was given for this brief delay, Samsung has followed through on its promise and initiated the rollout from yesterday. In this initial phase, the stable One UI 7 update is available exclusively for the Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy Z Fold 6, and Z Flip 6. Although many One UI 7 compatible models exist, the rollout is prioritizing 2024's flagship devices first. US customers owning these devices should soon notice a notification for the update. Once installed, users will enjoy all that Android 15 has to offer along with the new features introduced in One UI 7, including an entirely refreshed visual identity, enhanced widgets, advanced customization options, and powerful new AI features. In summary, with the Galaxy S24 leading the update, other eligible devices in the initial phase are expected to receive the update notification shortly. Here's the list of all the eligible devices. April, Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy Z Fold 6, Flip 6, and Fold Special Edition, Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5, Galaxy Tabs 10 Plus and Tabs 10 Ultra, Galaxy S23 series, Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. May, Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4, Galaxy Tab S9 series, Galaxy S23 Fan Edition, Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Flip 3, Galaxy S34, A35, Galaxy S22 series, Galaxy Tab S8 series, Galaxy S21 series, Galaxy S16, Galaxy Quantum 4, and Quantum 5. June, Galaxy Tab S9 Fan Edition, S9 Fan Edition Plus, Galaxy F53, A33, A25, A24, and A15. Galaxy Quantum 3, Jump 2, Jump 3, and Buddy 3. Galaxy Tab A9 and A9 Plus. Tab Active 5, Tab Active 4 Pro. Galaxy Wide 7. Have you received the update yet or not? Waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.